In this tutorial video, I will be teaching you how to accept a class on Google Classroom that has been created by your administrators. The first thing you will need to do is, of course, go to Google Classroom, which, of course, is classroom.google.com/h. When you go there, as long as you are signed into your EVSE account, you will see a bunch of classes that will be open for you to begin to accept. Now, as you can already see, there are no buttons for me to click on accept because I've already accepted those classes. But I have left one open to kind of show you how to actually click on it and then what it will look like. So here's one where it says Lit 78-09, and all I have to do is click accept. It will then ask me, hey, are you sure you want to accept this? And then of course you click accept. And that's all you have to do.